Everybody has been asking, not everybody, but you get the idea. People have been asking, where in the world is Bowling Green, Virginia? Well, funny that you ask because Bowling Green, Virginia is centrally located between Fredericksburg. Well, I'm going to show you in this map right here. But you're going to be centrally located between Fredericksburg and Richmond. You're going to have Dahlgren, just a little quick, easy commute this way. You have 95 on the other side, so you have easy access to there. And so when you are out traveling and you're trying to find a place that you want to live and you're like, I really want to kind of slow things down and have a little bit of a nice small town life. Well, let me tell you something. Bowling Green is going to be for you. Not only do you have this easy commute that you see right here, where you can easy commute to Fredericksburg, to Richmond, to Ashland. We're practically in Ashland's backyard. Yes, I stole that little saying from my wonderful client, and she said that. I was like, that's a click. We are right in Ashland's backyard. You are right in Spotsylvania's backyard. So when you want that small town feel, Bowling Green is going to be for you, where you have your historic Main Street. You can actually have golf carts and drive on the street. So you can go to your friend's house or you can go to the bank. You also have, parks and lots of eateries. There's so much to do. You could walk to the bank. You can walk to the post office. But there's so much that's to be said for that small town feel because people want to escape that from the big city hustle and bustle. So right here is your sweet small town. Of course, I have this beautiful listing that is right off of Main Street, so no HOA. That is a huge plus for a lot of people. You're on a dead-end street, so if you're a family with small children, this might be something for you. And you have a large backyard so that you can host friends and family for the summer 4th of July activities or even Christmas, Thanksgiving, because we are in that season. 'Tis the season to be holly jolly. So if you have been looking for the right house, priced under $400,000 in beautiful historic Main Street, small town USA, I promise you will not be disappointed with this home in Bowling Green, Virginia. I used to live in Bowling Green, Virginia, and I absolutely adored every single bit of it. It was a lot of fun living there. My kids enjoyed it so much, but now we're on 8 acres in the country with farm animals.
We do have goats and chickens, in case you were wondering.
So, if you are interested in the beautiful new listing, let me know. I would love to show it to you. We are having an open house Saturday, December 7th from noon to 2 p.m. We will have a hot cocoa bar. We will have 3 giveaways. So we're going to have a giveaway to our Main Street Historic Pedicab Tour. You get a Jingle Bell tour to see all the Christmas lights. And that is going to be giveaway number 1. Giveaway number 2 is the Illuminate Light Show. So you will be gifted a free ticket to the Illuminate Light Show to use whenever you want to. And then the third one is going to be an Amazon gift card for $100 to either spend on yourself after the holiday hustle and bustle or to help offset the cost of any kind of Christmas presents that you still need to purchase. So these are going to be the 3 giveaways. Come check it out at the open.